All right, hey, what's up, Affiliate Marketing University students? Troy back again. Before I go out and hang out with my wife, I wanted to stop and give you guys an update on how this Quora campaign that I got going is actually going. For you guys that may think that this is not going to work for you, or think that that's going to be too much of my time, or you're just not going to be able to see results. I'm going to show you what I was able to do with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And really four different squeeze pages that I'm testing, that I'm split testing, and each of these squeeze pages are linked to one answer on Quora. So in essence, I have 4 answers on Quora, and I'm going to show you what 4 answers on Quora was able to do for me. Now you can see on the page there that I have this one here that I'm split testing with the rest of these here. They're all pretty much duplicate. But I want to see how well the answers are doing, so I put them in each. I created 4 or 5 different squeeze pages. This one here is something that I started, but I stopped it. It's not, I actually removed the answer on Quora, so that's not really relevant. So it's really this one, this one, this one, and this one. And you can see, and let's do some quick math real quick, right? So this one here has generated over 41 clicks, 7 opt-ins, 7 contact leads, and it's converting at a 17.7% conversion rate. Not that great. It's still converting, and it's free. So hey, I'm not upset about it. But the point is that it's generated 7 leads. All right, so that's 7 right there, and I'm going to keep track. Let's use this calculator real quick. Let's do 7 plus. All right, this one here is generated over 80 visits to the site. These are 80 people that have made it to my squeeze page from Quora. It's generated over 22 leads, a 27.5% conversion rate, which is really good. It's converting really well. So let's go. Let's add 22 plus. All right, let's skip over that one. This one is generated 34, and it's gotten me 9 leads, 26.7% or 47% conversion rate, which is also really good. So this type of squeeze page is working well for me. And this is my original one that I first started everything with. This one's generated over 340 hits to my squeeze page. And I'll be honest, this one is mainly just one answer. I had a previous answer connected to it that really kind of fell off with a couple of hits, maybe a lead or two. But really, there was an answer I put on Quora that just smashed it and generated a couple hundred visits to the site and dozens and dozens of leads. So you can see right now, 340 hits, 66 leads from one answer mainly. That's a 19.41% conversion rate, and actually that would be a lot higher. I did a couple clicks myself here and there just to kind of test out the squeeze page and see how it was loading and so on and so forth. But the point is, let's add 66. Oh, we forgot to add the 9. So let's add the 9 plus 66 equals 104 leads. Okay, these are actually people that are on my email list now that are going through my automated autoresponder sequence and are getting to know me, like me, and trust me through the emails that they are reading. And eventually down the road, they're going to take me up on my recommendations. So let's see how this actually worked. We're going to go to Bitly because I'm tracking everything through Bitly. If you're not tracking things, then you are making a grave mistake. How are you going to know which is and which is not working? You must track everything you're doing so that if you're investing time and energy into something and it's not working, then you can cut it off and focus more energy on something else. And you must track everything. So here you can see that this one is one of them here. 35 hits there, 72 there, 32 here. That's not one. These are other things I have tracked down here. 280 there. And so let's add all of this up together. All right. So and I'll take it straight from, let's see. Yeah, let's just do it from here. So 300, 400, and okay, so this is adding, I'm not going to do it from here, I'm going to do it from Bitly because Bitly will show me the unique clicks. This is get response, and get response is just showing me every time the link got clicked, whether it's the same person again and again. So this is going to give us a better idea of what we're looking at. All right, so we got 104 there, so we'll just equals that. It's 104. Okay, we'll clear that. and we're going to start tallying up the visits. 35, all right, 35 plus, let's do 72 plus 72 there, plus, let's go down, let's do 32 plus 32 plus, all right, no, let's say no, 280 plus 280, okay, equals 419. 419 unique hits to my squeeze pages from 4 different answers, which took not a lot of time to put up. I'm telling you right now, I haven't really invested a lot of energy into it. I'm doing a lot of things right now. And again, this is just a test campaign that I'm doing with 4 answers I replied to on Quora. I've generated over 419 visitors to my squeeze pages. And actually, I think there was, let's see. Yeah, before I took this one down, it generated 1. So let's throw it on there. Plus 1. All right, 420 visits to my squeeze pages for free with barely any effort. Generated me over 104 leads. Okay, and without doing the exact math, I can give you a rough number that's almost 25% conversion, but let's do it. Let's do 420. I'm using my phone right here. 420 percentage of that, which is 104. It is 24. I don't know if you can see that, but that's 24.7619%, almost 25% conversion rate, meaning 1 in 4 is going to convert when they hit my squeeze pages. Run out every 4 people. The point is, I generated over 100 leads, free leads, onto my email marketing list off of 4 answers, generated over 420 visits, unique visits to the site. These are people that are downloading my lead magnet and they are joining my audience, and it's been done all for free with 4 answers. Let's just have some fun here, right? Let's multiply that by a factor of 10, all right? Equals 4,200 visits. If I just did 40, if I took that 40 question or 40 answers, 4 answers on Quora, and multiply that by a factor of 10, if I spent some real good quality time and made 40 answers on Quora, by this ratio, it'd be 4,200 visits to the site, and right, we would do, that's 440 leads. 440 leads. That is a lot of leads for free. So anyways, I won't make this video too long. The point is that this method actually works. I'm showing you the proof here. I'm showing you my squeeze pages. I'm showing you the Bitly where I'm tracking everything. I'm showing you the conversion rates. These are people that are actually on my email list now, and they're going through my sequence. So for all you guys that don't think it doesn't work, this method works. Give it a try. Take massive action. And I'll keep you guys updated. I'm getting excited because now I'm like, man, I got to actually put together a really good strategy to really scale this. Who said you couldn't get good quality leads with free traffic? Remember, these are good quality leads. These are not just leads that are reacting to a Facebook ad, but these are people that are actually interactive, looking for the answers to questions that they have. These are more qualified, more people that are more interested to take you up on your recommendations. So anyways, with that said, I'm going to end this video here. Use this method, smash it, kill it. Let me know how it's working for you in the description below. If this is your first time watching my videos, then please subscribe to our community of Affiliate Marketing University. Become a student and add value. Help us to add value to you. And follow us on this journey. This is a series of getting free traffic where we're showing you how to get free traffic to your offers, your squeeze pages, to your blogs, and help you build your business in an internet marketing space. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one. Like this video, smash the subscribe button and the notification bell, and we'll see you later.